morning, Kuya Ted. Morning.
Opo.
At morning sa lahat.
Opo. Mayor, kamusta kayo ngayon dyan? Ngayon ba malakas pa rin ang ulan?
Wala na pong ulan. Medyo a little drizzle na lang. Pero, the situation right now seems to be medyo quite devastating for our city.
Oo.
Medyo malakas talaga yung alon, yung water, yung na bumagsak dito sa amin.
Oo.
So, well, that's the situation right now we're in. At as of this moment po, we're trying to account for all those families affected, evacuated, ilang individuals, ilang barangays affected.
Mayor, meron po kami mga visuals ngayon. Mukhang ito po yung nangyari kagabi. Sa may ilog, ang lakas po ng ragasan ng tubig. Meron ho bang mga missing kayo dyan o casualties na biktima nitong flash floods?
Yes, as of the moment po, wala pang reported casualties. Walang reported na missing, but we're still validating, kasi hindi pa talaga. This is when the wala pa talagang actual na figure, na definite figure kung ilan talaga yung biktima.
Opo. Itong sa may bandang tulay, meron ho yata itong komunidad na nalubog sa baha ngayon. Gaano kalawak itong, gaano karaming kabahayan ito? At ito ba ang first time sa lugar na to?
No, this is very flood-prone areas to, no. There are 2 barangays in Iligan River wherein talagang flood prone to ever since. That's Barangay Tubod and Barangay Mahayahay. Although there was advice of preemptive evacuation, but a lot of families, individuals, decided to stay put, kasi siyempre yung takot na pag wala sila sa bahay, baka may mangyayari. So there, what happened is that although incident command system has already been activated, yung incident management team was mobilized, but still, well, sometimes you cannot push it. But yung mga tao dyan, mga families dyan were already they were made to sign, yung tawag nito, yung
waivers.
Parang waiver kung whatever happened, the government has done everything to inform them.
Opo.
But still, a lot of families decided to stay, thinking na medyo hoping na hindi tataas yung tubig. But eventually, this is different dahil ang lakas pa rin ng bagsak ng tubig. Yung volume ng water ngayon is even higher than what we experienced during Sendong. So,
ganun?
So, and during Sendong, a lot of missing infrastructures ay hindi pa na-impose na constructed. So, we're still very flood prone in terms of situation like this.
Opo,
So,
Mayor, so practically po ilang barangay ang gravely affected?
Well, a total of 14 barangays as of now has indicated na may mga evacuees sila. So 14, we have 44 barangays here in Iligan, 14 out of 44 is already affected.
Opo. You're talking about how many people or individuals or families, Mayor?
Well, as of now, as of this moment, yung evacuated na families is 531. We're talking about around 2,000 plus na individuals. But we're expecting more, sir? We're expecting more dahil pa lang maaga pa lang. It's just 9:30. So maaga pa lang. So medyo tataas ang figures eventually.
Opo, yes sir. Sir, there are about, sabi po kasi sa isumbong sa Pangulo website, meron kayo diyang mga flood control projects din eh. Actually, ang halaga po nito halos higit sa almost 700 million pesos.
Well, if I can remember, very limited yung mga projects namin dito. With regards to flood control, kasi considering we have two big rivers, no? At mga malilit na yung secondary rivers na nakakonect dito.
O sige po, so Mayor, hindi kami gagambala pa sa inyo. We sincerely hope and pray na wala kayo diyang casualties and sana po ang aftermath nito hindi po ganun katindi ang pinsala. But ngayon po meron kayong kuryente, Mayor?
Meron naman, sir, pero again, just for preemptive, it's reason last night ay kaninang umaga pala ay pinatay ng electric company yung kuryente, yung connection.
Opo. You have
so now we're doing our best. We will keep you informed, sir, kung ilan talaga yung total
affected.
Mga victims affected.
Opo. Salamat po, Mayor, and Godspeed, sir. Salamat na marami.
Salamat.
Apo. Thank you. Mga kapatid, brothers and sisters, saan ka pa? Dito na tayo sa totoo. Dito na tayo sa True FM.
Mga kapatid, mag-subscribe and follow po kayo sa social media accounts ng True Network PH. Yan po kami, hanapin nyo lang True Network PH, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and podcast. Mapa Apple or Spotify man yan, mahahanap nyo kami. Lahat ng mga napapanood at napapakinggan nyo po sa programa, nasa social media accounts namin yan. So paano mga kapatid? See you sa social media!